Hello everyone, Karan here from Tech Revs, and today we are doing a review of the Onyx Studio 7. We'll start with the unboxing, but before that I'll just tell you a little bit about the specifications. So it's got one woofer, two tweeters, a bass radiator over here. Total watts of output, it says about 50 watts, and this can last 8 hours on a battery and takes about 4.5 hours to charge it to the maximum. This speaker ideally will sound better when it's plugged in. It gets a little bit more juice and it can go a little bit more louder. The bass can go a little bit more deeper. This speaker is genuinely, at least for me, not exactly a portable speaker. I'll be using this as a stationary speaker to be placed in the side of my living room, because this aesthetically, this can go really well with your entire environment. Alright, so we are quickly doing the unboxing and I'll be speaking through it. So this speaker is available for about 15,000 rupees, 49.99. I'll suggest if you have a decent budget, this is the right speaker to get. I did a testing of this with the JBL Extreme 3 and with a couple of other speakers. Now, when I did the testing, it was very evident from the get-go that this, any day of the week, this speaker is much more powerful than the JBL Extreme 3. The bass goes deeper. The sound is just a little bit more crisper. JBL sounds a little bit more high in the high end. It's really screechy, but this is really well. Okay, while we are unboxing, you can see there's a quick start guide. Here we have a couple of things. So this is the power brick that will charge your speaker. So it's not USB-C or anything like that. It's like proper power brick. So this will ideally be plugged into the wall most of the time. Like I said, this will mostly be a stationary speaker, but only will I change the, only will I change it from time to time if I want to change the orientation or put the speaker in some other room. So here we are. This is the speaker. I hope you're getting a good view of this. All right. Okay, and here we are with the speaker, guys. And that's about it. It has a couple of documentation, charger over here, and now I'll be doing a thorough test of this before I bring you the full review. So we are done with the unboxing. I have got some time to play with this speaker. Now, I have got some thoughts about it, but before that, let me just quickly tell you about what my use case for this speaker would be. This is going to lie at the side tables in my living room as a showpiece, something pumping out great sound for the people when they're here for parties. I had initially gotten a JBL Party Box 100 speaker, but that really did not look good when in the living room. So hence I got the Harmon Kardon Onyx 7. I will not just be having this, but I also have other Bluetooth speakers for different purposes. This is fully portable. You can pump volume out of it, pump music out of it for about 8 hours or something. If you're playing at about 50 to 60% volume. The bass is lower when it's not plugged in, and the sound output is also slightly lower when it's not plugged in. So that's something you need to keep in mind. To pair this to your iPad or your iPhone or something like that, you need to press this for about 4 seconds and then you'll get a blink on your iPhone or the device. You need to tap and connect it. You get your minus volume, plus volume, play, pause button, and your power button over here. In the back, over here, you have your power output, which is a power barrel port, aux, and service place. I think that will be for the service providers. So that's about it. You get 3 ports, 2 which you'll be using primarily. The most important thing, this doesn't come with any sort of water protection because it is very purposefully built around your living room, around your lifestyle. So this is a lifestyle speaker. The design is really great. I'll be honest with you, I love the design. But I love the design even better for the Harmon Kardon Onyx Studio 6. I think 5, Studio 6 and 5. So those I loved even better. It had like a handbag sort of design, but I loved it because it was very nice. This also I like it. It's got that ring sort of a look over here that goes around the speaker. So it's quite a unique design, and it can be a good conversation starter. It's gotten also a design award, So that's also something to note for. Let me do a quick sound test now after that, because that is exactly what you're here for, nothing more than that. And I'll be doing a lot of comparisons as well, so you can stay tuned to my videos to see those comparisons. The first music that I'll play is from Fat Rat, and this will be the orchestra version, so not really bass heavy. The sound, I'm keeping it at let me see, roughly at this level. I think this is medium, so 50%. And this is also not plugged in right now, so the volume and the bass output will be much lower. And we'll do a test later on also to see the whole with plugged in. So let's just play it. With us, oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. This feels perfect for a personal sort of listening, and it doesn't give you any hearing fatigue as well. That's really great. Increasing this to about 80%. I can literally feel the table and the glass shake beneath it and the whole table, so yeah. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, holding on, even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. Alright, so you had a good sample of that. I hope that was helpful. Now, we are going to quickly plug this over here because there's a barrel port over here and we need to plug this into power. Now we are connected to power and I'm going to have the same volume levels. Let me just show that to you. And let's just play it back. On this track, oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. Alright, so opinion and feedback time now. Who is the Onyx Studio 7 for? So the Onyx Studio 7 is for someone who's looking for a piece of art in their living room, in their house, something that they can keep plugged in and, you know, maybe from time to time carry it from one room to another, hence that extra battery life that you get. Otherwise, I'll consider this as a plug and play sort of a setup. I would not really carry this to my friend's place, to parties. For that, you have got party box speakers, the Bose SoundLink with the handle and everything, which are waterproof, water resistant, dust resistance, and all of that. So those are mostly for those speakers. But coming to the sound, without the power plugged in, the sound is great. With the power plugged in, it just goes to another level. The bass goes really deep and the sound becomes really loud. You can't listen to it beyond 80%. You'll have neighbors complain all the time. So yeah, that's my 2 cents. I think it's a great pair of speaker, and for 15,000, it is as good as robbing Harmon and Kardon. That's all I can say. For 22,000, you get JBL. I think it's JBL Extreme 3. Sounds like utter crap in comparison to this. For 15,000, you get the JBL Charge 5. Doesn't hold a candle compared to the Harmon Kardon Onyx Studio 7. So that's my 2 cents, guys. I think this is a great piece of technology, and if you like this video, do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and to buy these speakers, please use the links in the description below. Helps out the channel a lot. I'll be able to buy more speakers. I'll see that you guys are interested, and I'll buy a couple of more speakers and do some more audio tests for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace.